Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Nandini Tiwari,
author of.
Today and Night.
So, can you tell us a little bit more about your book?
I've written poetry, and I feel poetry is left to be verified by the readers, so
Right.
it's fine. Like, however you take it, and there's no specific genre to it.
Wow, it's the most neutral review of your own book. But what is some of the most memorable feedback you've gotten?
I started writing when I was 16, so I
Okay.
feel, and this I wrote when I was 19.
Alright.
So it's just about the age. Oh my god, how do you think that much and all that? So I
Right.
yeah, but reviews and all, I just train myself. I'm like, nah, I just want to write. Let's,
Right.
yeah.
Now, especially with something like poetry, what are some of the biggest challenges you're facing while writing?
Poetry, how much I feel it resonates with everyone, so I don't think so there's some issue that I've faced.
Right.
But I would say that the criticisms of poetry are huge.
Right.
Like, yeah, so only that I think is the issue. Otherwise, you write whatever you feel like. Your thoughts are your. Yeah.
Right. How is it being at the world's largest book fair?
It feels an honor to be here, and I could not believe that it would be. But Notion Press has given all of us such a great chance and
Right.
yeah,
That's
platform. So it feels blessed to be here.
Have you been here before as a reader?
No, last year one of my books was here, so I was
Right.
as an author only here last year also.
Right. So you're a OG back to back.
Yeah, back to back.
All right. Thank you so much for sharing your experience
Thank
with
you
us.
so
I hope
much.
you have a wonderful
Thank
book
you.
fair.
Thank you.